What is the one HR myth that you would like to burst?
Okay, it's not a job oriented on Rangoli or events.
It is more than
what you see is just a tip of iceberg. I was threatened in my 12th exams, so I had to leave the paper in between and go. You know, MBA में HR इसलिए लिया क्योंकि I felt I'll be better suited in this role.
लोगों से बात करना अच्छा लगता है.
मुझे भीड़ से भिड़ना अच्छा लगता है.
से अगर मैंने अप्लाई किया, थोड़े बार मैं सेलेक्ट हुई, थोड़े बार मैं सेलेक्ट नहीं हुई, whatever the reason is, the HR of that company 100% I will say does not revert अगर आप सेलेक्ट नहीं हुए.
जहाँ पे भी मैं HR रहा हूँ खुद, I have made sure that एक सिलेक्शन का मेल एक दिन देर जा सकता है लेकिन रिजेक्शन का मेल चला जाता है.
अब आप अपना अगर कंपनी चालू करते हो तो यू आर कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑन योर पर्सनल टाइम.
Yes.
So then how will you manage family and your business together?
Two things which you have to be very clear when you are taking any risk is at least to the immediate impacted circle. You have to tell that I am taking this risk and this is a flip side of it. The worst case we are here.
हम लोग HR को देखते हैं और हम कहते हैं हे भगवान पता नहीं HR कैसा होगा.
See, HR ultimately इंसान है.
नमस्कार, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ डॉग डायरीज. कभी कभी हम सोचते हैं ना कि हमारी ज़िंदगी में ऐसा क्या हो रहा है कि अरे ये हो क्या गया, मैं यहाँ से यहाँ तक पहुँचा कैसे. सो टुडे ऑन डॉग डायरीज वी हैव अ पर्सन नेम भरत who is an HR by profession but again a human by heart. His story starts from an LIC colony in Dharwad. बिल्कुल एक बॉलीवुड मूवी जैसा. उसमें थोड़ा सी खुशी है, थोड़े गम है, आंसू टाइप्स हैं, and obviously lot of chaos and friendship also. So today on this note we welcome Bharat to Dog Diaries. आपकी कहानी, आपकी ज़बानी. Welcome Bharat. It's so good to have you here.
Thank you, Preeti. Thank you for inviting me on the show. And I'm also pretty excited. This is one of its kind for me. Means at least I've not reflected back in terms of my own story. So I think it's going to be pretty exciting for me as well through the show. So looking forward.
Yes. So भरत बड़ा मजा आ रहा है अब तो. अब मैं इस साइड ऑफ द टेबल और आप उस साइड ऑफ द टेबल एज एन HR. तो अब मैं HR का इंटरव्यू लूंगी. So on this note with Shri Ganesh, let's roll. Okay.
Certainly.
The first question which I and the audience want to know is simple पूछती हूँ मैं हर किसी से, who is Bharat? So how would you describe yourself in just 3 words?
In just 3 words, if I have to look at it, I can say it. I'm a fun-loving person. I like to be on the laughter side of the world. Second, I'm adaptable. Have kind of been into different situations. Have been able to gel well.
Right.
And third, if you ask me, oh my God, it's very difficult to sum these things up. I'm pretty empathic.
Right.
Right. So I think that is something which I've gotten as an acknowledgement also through my life. So I think, yeah, let me sum it up like that.
That's really nice. So you were born in Bijapur.
Correct.
And then you moved to Dharwad.
Right.
So tell us a little bit about your family.
Sure. So, yeah, I was born in Bijapur, but I certainly don't recollect anything of Bijapur because I was 8 months old when I kind of moved to Dharwad. And at least once I've gained my conscious or once I've started seeing the world, understanding it myself, I was in LIC colony, LIC quarters, which we call. My father was into LIC of India, and because of which we were staying in our quarters. And my mother is a homemaker, and my brother, obviously, currently he is an entrepreneur, right? But way back, if I look at LIC quarters, was a lot of fun. Like I almost have spent up till half of my graduation, right from like 8 months. I've been in LIC quarters. I still remember the quarters name, B12 LIC quarters. Like, it was on the third floor, ground floor, first floor, second floor actually.
Right.
So I was for the last house, and LIC quarters typically, if you look at it, right, it's a uh, it's the kind of city of similars, right? So everybody comes from that middle class or a lower middle class family. The likes and tastes of everybody is similar, right? And one very good thing I was able to do there, I told about adaptability, right? So I was able to interact with a lot of people from a lot of places. My friends were not necessarily from Dharwad, like they were from different parts of the world, and we used to play together, we used to eat together, we used to do all sort of whatever
Masti together.
to put it right way, right? So in that way, LIC quarters has been one biggest milestone in my life, and till date, whenever I go to Dharwad, I make sure that I at least take a round. Last time when I went, I showed my kids ki, hey, this is where we used to play, this is where we used to do this masti, this is where we used to put Ganesha and all. Pretty fond memories there.
Wow, that's really nice to hear that. And coming back here, were you a very shy child or a notorious child?
What do I look like?
You look like an HR to me because I met you as an HR.
Right. So basically, I was most pampered because I was the last one.
Oh, the
right?
youngest in the family.
Youngest in the family, right? So basically, pretty pampered kid, thereby notorious as well.
So share an
Right.
incident with our audience that, about your notorious pana types.
But this is something which people keep reminding me often and often and often. Basically, I fell from first floor of my nani's house.
First
right?
floor, कितना
Yeah.
ऊंचा था?
कुछ 20 फीट होगा, 20-22 फीट होगा.
And अभी आप यहाँ पर आराम से बैठे हो.
हाँ, उस दिन भी मैं आराम से ही बैठा था. Right? So basically, I just suffered a hairline fracture.
अच्छा.
Fortunate rebirth, I must say, but
आराम से कैसे बैठे? 20 फीट से नीचे गिरे तो?
I don't know. It was just one miracle. I was playing with my cousin, currently my bhabhi. We'll get there, right? So basically, मैं ऊपर से कोई रस्सी टांग रहा था, and मुझे उन तक वो पहुंचाना था, and obviously we were both kids, so वो पहुंच नहीं रहा था. तो बेसिकली मैंने क्या किया, उधर एक छोटा सा एक स्टेप था ऐसे, उधर जाके मैंने ऑलमोस्ट हाफ ऑफ माई बॉडी वॉज ऑन द अदर साइड, एंड मैं उसको रीच करने की कोशिश कर रहा था. रस्सी भी पहुंच गई और मैं भी पहुंच गया. तो बेसिकली दैट हैपेंड, एंड oh my god, yeah, there was a bit of a panic and there was a bit of
And थप्पड़ अप्पड़
drama.
नहीं पड़े?
उस दिन नहीं पड़े, बट आज तक लोग मुझे उस इंसिडेंट के लिए याद करते हैं, एंड स्टिल टिल टुडे माय मामाज एंड ऑल स्टे देयर, एंड वो टाइल मार्क्ड है.
यहाँ से
वो
भरत गिरा
टाइल
था.
मेरे नाम का है. वो जहाँ पे मैं गिरा था वो टाइल मेरे नाम का है.
Oh my God, it is actually a funny but a scary incident, and I would
Certainly.
say that that it's really a miracle that you didn't get hurt there.
Yeah, I did suffer through hairline fracture. I was in second, I remember. तो
Right.
basically प्लास्टर लगी थी, थोड़े 2-3 महीने ऐसे था मैं. ठीक है.
So
शहंशाह
yes, so
pose.
being notorious also, it doesn't pay off well.
Yeah.
Now coming to your brother, you have an elder brother.
Yes.
Now your elder brother is a more responsible person.
Yeah, typically the elders.
Yeah, so did you learn anything from him in your childhood? And would you like to share something with us?
Yeah, so obviously my brother is 8 years elder to me, and obviously he was excellent at studies, right? And but however, one good thing which, if I can give a credit to my dad, is he never imposed that pressure, or the sibling pressure, or the peer pressure,
Which
on
normally
me.
parents do.
Yeah, so I think my dad was very clear कि do better than what you did yesterday. So basically पहले तो वो पूछते थे 35 आए कि नहीं, which was the passing marks. ठीक है, उसके बाद पूछते थे ठीक है कितने आए हैं,
कितने?
नेक्स्ट टाइम इससे थोड़ा ज़्यादा करना. So I think that is the biggest learning. You don't have to really aspire for 100 every time, right? So if you ask me what to learn, what did I learn from my brother? Obviously a sense of responsibility and everything. He's the first one. He is also a very senior figure to me. He's the first one who pushed me on my own to think. Like, otherwise me being a pampered kid, I was always been instructional. कि यहाँ जाओ, ये करो, वो करो, इधर जाओ, जोशी सर का नाम बोलो, वो ये देंगे, लेके आओ. That is how I was working. My brother first time told me कि जा ये लेके आ. He never gave me any brief.
Understood.
So I think that kind of cultivated a lot of things in terms of you, becoming an independent person as such, and I think that's helped me a long way in my entire life as well as career.
You guys are a family of badminton players.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So how has badminton, influenced your life, your personal life mostly? Because I think your father, your brother, all of you play badminton.
Yeah, the legacy starts from my dadi.
Oh.
Right. So she used to play badminton. She is a left-handed badminton player. My dad represented South Central LIC zone for almost 30 years, if I'm not wrong. And my brother has been a university blue. I've been a university player myself. So badminton has been in the blood. It's been in the genes, at least since our childhood. I think it gave that very clear sense of one, obviously it'll make you a bit more health conscious, it will make you a bit more disciplined, and badminton is a lot of mind game than a body game. Okay, and that makes you think a lot in terms of how do I what is the strategy on which I'll apply, look at opponent,
right.
How do I study opponent, before you even react to the opponent. My dad always told, pehle point.
Do you practice that in your daily
Oh yeah,
life?
yeah. So
Does
basically,
it dribble into your, I would say, in your professional life also?
absolutely. So that's what I was about to tell you, right? कि dad used to tell कि पहले 5 points सिर्फ अगर 0-5 भी होता है तो टेंशन मत ले. Right? So even if you're at a 0, पहले उसको समझ कि वो कैसे खेलता है. Then from the 6th point is where your journey starts. So I think first thing is, we call in the corporate word as listening, right?
Listening.
Or first observe, because there is someone coming to you, at least in a profession of HR. HR के साथ कोई आता है तो basically comes with some grief.
Grief, yes.
Or grievance, right? अगर सुनने के बिना हम लोग बताना शुरू कर देंगे तो 80% of the purpose is defeated there. So I think that has gone a long way as a person also, as a HR also.
Wow. Yeah. We'll come to that.
Sure.
We'll traverse slowly your journey.
No problem.
Now you have reached your 12th.
Mm-hmm.
अब हम 12th में आ गए, exam pass करना. There was an incident in your 12th which I think you learned a lot from that incident.
Certainly, yes.
So please share it with us.
It was a very, I don't know, I don't even have a verb to term that incident. But I was threatened in my 12th exams by one of my classmate only. कि अगर तू मुझे एग्जाम में पेपर नहीं दिखाएगा तो मैं तेरे को किसी को बोल के बाहर करवा दूंगा, डिबार करवा दूंगा.
Influential person.
Kind of, yes. वो थोड़ा जाना पहचाना था, कॉलेज में थोड़े बहुत उसके चर्चे थे, right? So all those things were there. So unfortunately he was behind me in the hall ticket serial number. So basically वो that happened, and it aggravated, and in one of my favorite subjects which I never was able to learn, mathematics, right? So basically उसने बहुत तंग कर दिया मुझे उसमें. So I had to leave the paper in between and go. ठीक है,
उसके एग्जाम के बीच की बात हो रही है
ये एग्जाम के बीच की बात हो रही है. मैंने पेपर ही नहीं लिखा. मैंने लिखा, I think this started happening, he started pestering me after like an hour in the exam. 3 घंटे का एग्जाम
तो
होता है.
देखा नहीं एग्जामिनर्स ने कि क्या हो रहा है पीछे से?
एग्जामिनर्स ऑब्वियसली जब इस तरफ उस तरफ जाते थे तो तभी ये होता था. सो आई गॉट रियली टेंस्ड. पहले ही मैथमेटिक्स से मुझे नहीं आ रहा था, अभी इसको क्या दिखाऊं.
पेपर छोड़ के घर चले गए?
मैं पेपर छोड़ के बाहर रूम से बाहर चला गया.
क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट ही नहीं किए?
किया था, पहले 1 घंटे में जो लिखा था वो लिखा था,
हाँ।
उसके बाद मैंने
फिर?
कुछ लिखा नहीं, मैं
Then?
घर चला गया एंड देन obviously I certainly was sad, I was crying at home. Then my dad came and the next day he opted to drop me, ठीक है, and तब by chance he met the principal and he kind of told कि कल ये हुआ. That created another scene in the examination hall जहाँ पे principal आके उस बंदे को डिबार कर दिया.
Oh my God.
Now, obviously, you know, that put me under more pressure. They offered me a seat. They offered me a lot of separate privileges वगैरह. But मैंने बोला मैं एग्जाम नहीं लिखूंगा.
तो आगे के एग्जाम ही नहीं लिखे?
मैंने बायो का एग्जाम था जो नहीं लिखा. तो बेसिकली फॉर्चुनेटली जो मेरे जब रिजल्ट्स आए थे, ऑब्वियसली बायो आई डिड नॉट क्लियर बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट अपीयर फॉर द एग्जाम टेक्निकली, बट मैथमेटिक्स में पास कर चुका था. 1 घंटे में जो लिखा था वो
उसमें पास हो
गया था मैं, राइट. सो शायद दिखा देता तो शायद वो भी पास हो जाता एंड वुड हैव सेल्ड थ्रू. बट
सो व्हाट डिड यू लर्न देयर?
So one thing very clearly कि you know world never stops at any small blockers. ये एक ब्लॉकर था मेरे लिए. There are बाद में एक there is an October chance करके तभी था, तो मैंने बायो तभी क्लियर किया, right? So but one thing even my brother told me, obviously I was in a very sad shape for some time. My brother told me very clearly कि जो हो गया उसको बीत गया, उसको भूल जाओ, ठीक है. Focus on next. There is a chance. Start afresh and what? Just lost 6 months. That's fine. ठीक है, तो जिंदगी कभी भी शुरू कर सकते हो.
So you took it in your stride and said,
Yeah.
कोई बात नहीं, क्या हो गया एक बार.
Yeah. So and then
And do you follow that today also?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
कुछ गड़बड़ हो जाए या कुछ हो जाए.
Yes, you have to certainly remember it, but you don't have to keep it as a hangover for a long.
Sure.
Right? Remember it. Oh, okay, there is a moment of sad, there is an emotional weakness. वो सभी experience करो. It's important as a human. But उसको carry मत करो, उसको drag मत करो. Take a pause, look at future, move on.
Right. You told in your बचपन बहुत सारे दोस्त थे आपके. तो आपके लिए दोस्ती was one of the pillars of your life, I would say.
Yes.
एंड वो आज भी दोस्ती पिलर है. आपके बहुत सारे दोस्त हैं विच आई नो पर्सनली. सो हाउ वाज योर फ्रेंडशिप लाइक? जैसे कहते हैं ना कि कोई कोई दोस्त नहीं होते, हम एकदम सोलमेट्स बन जाते हैं. तो ऐसे कोई हैं आपके दोस्त?
या ऐसे हैं, 2 हैं. सो बेसिकली यू नो one of them I'm very good friends with them. I met both of them in graduation. उससे पहले भी मेरे काफ़ी दोस्त थे जो, लेकिन that was momentous. जैसे कॉलोनी में दोस्त थे, साथ मिले खेले वगैरह. But something which has traversed more than like 2 decades, I must say, right, is our 2 people. One Vinay करके है, who's been my buddy since my bachelor's, right? BCA में we met and since then the journey is on. हम लोग अभी भी साथ ही रहते हैं. Means I stay on 6th floor, he stays on 7th floor and हम लोग ज़्यादा मिलते नहीं हैं, लेकिन अगर महीने में एक बार भी मिल जाए तो if we see each other we know कि 1 महीने में क्या हुआ था. So that kind of vibe I have with him. Always a person, a shoulder whom I can trust and rest on, and he's always there, a call away, a signal away rather, and hopefully I am the same for him.
So do you discuss even your professional journey with him at times? Everything. So actually a soulmate.
खुली किताब है. दूसरा है सुधींद्रा करके. Okay, he again is from my BCA. So basically, we were one nice bunch. We were the same benchers also, right? So unfortunately I lost him in COVID.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, but otherwise he has been one more person who has been a bigger pillar.
Right. लोग कहते हैं कि HR सबका दोस्त होता है, पर HR के भी कुछ अपने ही दोस्त होते हैं.
Obviously, और वो HR नहीं होते हैं.
हाँ, वो HR नहीं होते. That is true. That is true.
Right.
So now, so you have those set of soulmates which you call that. Yes. You can share anything and they don't judge you.
Obviously.
Very nice, very nice. Coming back now you are traversed your 12th and then तुम्हारा वहाँ जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का जो कीड़ा है, नाउ यू आर आल्सो एन एंटरप्रेन्योर,
I
बट
know.
विल कम टू दैट लेटर। वो जो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का छोटा सा बग कीड़ा है, वो तब से शुरू हुआ था, बिकॉज यू वर क्वाइट इंटरेस्टेड इन दिस वीडियो एडिटिंग एंड वीडियो मेकिंग एंड एवरीथिंग।
Obviously, so I think credits to two things. One, my brother observed some bit of creative edge in me because I used to make some of these creative stuff on PowerPoints and everything. So he got me a software and a camcorder. तभी इतना बड़ा होता था, तो basically but and then I started doing some ऐसे ही freelance के projects वगैरह। बट जब कॉलेज में थे तो ऑब्वियसली पार्टी वार्टी करने के लिए थोड़ा बहुत पॉकेट मनी चाहिए होता था,
तो इसलिए वीडियो
तो
एडिटिंग करते हैं।
ऑब्वियसली घर से लिमिटेड मिलता था।
अभी भी करते हो?
क्या वीडियो एडिटिंग?
हाँ।
कभी कभार, बट नाउ तो ऑब्वियसली देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ एआई टूल्स वगैरह, तब कुछ नहीं था, यू हैव टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट। तो बेसिकली मैं और विनय जाते थे, शूट करते थे, उसको एडिट करके देने के लिए हम लोग सिर्फ 500 रुपये चार्ज करते थे। बिकॉज हमारा बैकवर्ड कैलकुलेशन था कि हमारा पार्टी निकल जाए, 2 पार्टी निकल जाए तो हमारा पैसा वसूल, राइट? सो बट दैट वाज नाइस, वी वर एबल टू earn some good money then, like एटलीस्ट हम लोगों के पास पैसे खत्म होते तो हम लोग प्रोजेक्ट ढूंढते थे, तब तक नहीं ढूंढते थे हम लोग।
Right. So you started your entrepreneurship that time also.
Kind of, yes, in one or the other way you can say.
Yeah.
If I reflect back,
Now,
it's a surprise, but yes.
Yeah. So you completed your BCA and then you did your MBA also.
Yes.
And then you did your MBA in HR.
Correct.
क्यों HR choose किया MBA में?
देखो, अगर मैं MBA की बात करूँ तो ऑब्वियसली ऑब्वियसली एट द एंड ऑफ द year 1 I was exposed to an organization जहाँ पे मैंने सभी डिपार्टमेंट्स देखे हैं। Okay, something which resonated well with my personality as such, I felt was HR.
क्या, एक सेकेंड, मेरी पर्सनैलिटी से रेजोनेट किया, क्या पर्सनैलिटी?
MBA में HR इसलिए लिया क्योंकि I felt I'll be better suited in this role. And
Why not marketing, sales?
Sales तो मैं करने से रहा, means basically if I have to give you the other side of the answer, not a travel freak as such, तो sales तो मेरे दूर था, ठीक है। एंड मोनोटनसनेस या थोड़ा प्रोसेस बनाते बैठना, वो ऑपरेशंस मैनेजमेंट में जाना नहीं,
लोगों से बात करना अच्छा लगता है,
मुझे भीड़ से भिड़ना अच्छा लगता है।
भीड़ से भिड़ना, वेरी नाइस।
Right? So I think that's been something which I've been doing मैं at family also, at society also। तो बेसिकली मुझे लगा कि यहाँ पे मेरे सक्सेसफुल होने के चांसेस ज्यादा है।
एंड यू एंजॉय इट?
आई एंजॉय इट टिल डेट।
हाँ, सो यू एंजॉयड इट देन?
यस।
एंड यू डिडंट रिग्रेट इट दैट टाइम कि नहीं मैंने गलत ले लिया MBA के बाद, जैसे
No,
सेकंड
no,
ईयर में रिग्रेट नहीं था कोई भी?
So basically now तो I call myself HR by choice.
Not by chance.
No, not by chance.
Perfect. So coming down now more, and HR के बाद हमने थोड़ा सा जॉब वॉब किया, थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेने का मन नहीं था हमारा, अपने भाई के घर में रहते थे हम लोग।
Absolutely.
And your brother got married, and now the main twist in the story comes is कि you also got married, but आपका जो रिश्ता है ना बड़ा मतलब it is different, I would say, like Maggie hot and sweet tomato chili sauce। कैसा था आपके वाइफ से, आप कैसे मिले और कैसा स्टोरी थी वो?
Okay, so basically just to let you know कि I know my wife from when she was born, क्योंकि वो मेरे खुद की मामा की बेटी है। तो basically my father-in-law is my mother's elder brother.
Oh my God, ऐसी फैमिली रिलेशन है, अंदर ही अंदर।
अंदर ही अंदर। So if you ask me where did I meet Sneha,
बचपन में क्रेडल में देखा है?
क्रेडल में देखा है मैंने उसको पालने में मैंने ऐसे घुमाया भी है,
और शादी भी कर लिया।
so basically but yeah, we grew up. Even my bhabhi is also my mama's elder beti, so we brothers have married sisters. Right, so pretty close knit family in that way, so we know each other from the beginning. So basically it just happened, like obviously रिलेशनशिप वाइज तो आई थिंक थोड़ा बहुत वो ग्रेजुएशन के टाइम शुरू हुआ and then kind of it travels through post graduation and some bit of job, and there was a point when we kind of announced it at home, right? It was very tough announcement from my end at least to do at home, and I didn't know that my brother and bhabhi were also running a secret bet on it. They were betting कि ये कुछ तो लफड़ा चल रहा है इन
Correct.
दोनों का, but yeah, my bhabhi did give me a look
Okay.
when
And
I
meanwhile, you
announced
were
this.
working also. You were
Obviously,
working.
I was working.
So जब शादी हो गई, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आ गई हमारे पास, एंड यू वर वर्किंग ऑल्सो. तो अभी हम थोड़ा प्रोफेशनल तरफ चलते हैं.
Okay.
If I say now, when after your MBA, you joined a company. So which company was it?
Avian Softwares India
Avian
Private
Software.
Limited.
And you were a generalized HR there.
No, I was a recruiter there.
Recruiter.
I started as a recruiter.
And then you moved to a different company.
Yes, I moved into Canada Technology and Research Center.
Hmm.
That was very brief period जहाँ पे मैं जर्नलिस्ट था, right?
And
And उसके
then?
बाद मैंने Infosys ज्वाइन किया.
हाँ. Now you are in Infosys and you got married.
Yeah.
तो आपने जो HR से सीख रहे थे वहां पर, जैसे लोग कर रहे हैं, नई नई चीजें सीखी होंगी, were you implementing that at home, or what things that you implemented at home you implemented in office? How was it, or is it a mixture?
Majorly, what happened at office came home is what I can say, because Infosys was my large scale exposure as an HR. तो काफ़ी चीज़ें मैं उधर सीख रहा था, not necessarily on HR. HR तो सीख ही रहा था, लेकिन something more of the business, something more on how to install a discipline, how to really put certain governance. तो ये छोटे छोटे एलिमेंट्स मैं घर पे भी लाना शुरू किया था. So it was more office to home than home to office.
So Sneha helped you, your wife helped
Yeah.
you in it.
Sneha was certainly a very strong pillar. I think one of the things I have is, मैं बहुत खर्चता था. Like, I was like, I used to spend a lot, right? And फालतू चीज़ों पे, right? But I think thanks to Sneha, she kind of instilled. She is a daughter of a banker. So one good thing is she never let me cut down on anything.
Okay.
But she prioritized my expenses.
Got it.
Right.
HR की भी जिंदगी कितनी अलग होती है. हम लोग को जो HR दिखते हैं ऑफिस में, हम लोग सोचते हैं HR की जिंदगी बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है, बिकॉज ऑफिस में तो ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं, घर में भी ऐसे ऐसे करते होगे. तो या ऑन दैट नोट वील कंटिन्यू आवर जर्नी, बट आई हैव few HR type questions for you. थोड़ा quirky questions हैं. Okay. Open office or cubicles?
Open office.
Most overused interview phase?
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Email or face-to-face meeting?
Face to face any day.
Firing someone on Friday or Monday?
Should not fire. Ideally, better to plan. But if push comes to shove, on a Friday.
What is the most used scenario which you came when people gave an excuse?
For quitting the job. अच्छा, एक बंदा तो संन्यास लेने के लिए गया. So that was like very strange for me. Sannyas, pretty young.
So if HR had a superpower, what would it be?
HR had a understand why people are coming to you before they come to you. ताकि झंझट ही न रहे.
Okay. If HR was a movie pioneer, what type of pioneer would it be?
It would be, I know audience would say a comedy, but I would go for a drama because
Yeah, drama तो है.
बहुत सारा ड्रामा होता है इसमें.
Okay, nice. So HR, you say it's a drama sort of a.
Yes.
Okay. What is the one HR myth that you would like to burst?
Okay, it's not a job oriented on Rangoli or events.
It is more than
what you see is just a tip of iceberg, right? There is a lot which HR carries on its shoulder when it comes to an organization construct as such.
70-hour working or 90-hour working?
Putting me in controversies. Huh?
बहुत सारे memes आ रहे हैं, बहुत
Obviously,
सारे आ रहे
I have seen a lot of them. See, I think I have always been on a personal stance कि work for impact, right? Work for impact and not necessarily for hours. अगर बीवी को संडे देखना है तो प्लीज देखो।
बीवी
so
को संडे
basically
बैठो
it's a-
उनके साथ।
हर दिन देखो बीवी को, but when you are at work for impact, you know, you get paid for what you create as an impact. So I think focus on that, and if you have more time, create more impact. You know, that's where you are going to grow as well as the company is going to grow. It's not bound to semantics of hours or days. That's my strong belief.
I wanted to ask this question from many years, लोग HR से, लेकिन मैं कभी पूछ नहीं पाई क्योंकि जब
अच्छा।
when I was working in a corporate environment,
हाँ।
तो फिर तनी HR से पूछे, HR को कहीं पता दिया ही नहीं अप्रेजल, बाद में छोड़ दिया मुझे। तो ये क्वेश्चन मेरा है कि मैं अगर अपने सीनियर से लड़ती हूँ तो HR आके बीच में इंटरवीन करता है, लेकिन HR अपने सीनियर से लड़ता है तो कौन इंटरवीन करता है?
HR अपने सीनियर से ज़्यादा लड़ता ही नहीं, क्योंकि उसने इतनी लड़ाई देख ली है कि वो भी ताकत नहीं बचती।
डिसएग्रीमेंट, लड़ाई नहीं,
डिसएग्रीमेंट काफ़ी होती है।
कौन बीच में, who is the peacemaker?
So sometimes you have to find your own peace. Sometimes, because like when in my last job I was at the peak of the HR in that company. I was the HR head, right? So there used to be many a times where me and my CEO have fought like
आप
crazily.
CEO से ही लड़ लिया।
अभी किसके पास जाए अभी?
तो कहाँ जाते?
So means I've spoken about soulmates. जाओ उनके साथ, भड़ास निकालो उनको,
और
go back normal.
वापस काम पे आओ।
And hopefully he'll also have some soulmates जहाँ पे वो मेरी भड़ास निकालेगा, वो आएगा। Next day we are friends.
चलो, अब हम thanks for this rapid fire,
Sure.
pretty interesting।
Where is my hamper?
वो सब नहीं मिलता यहाँ पर।
अच्छा ठीक
ये तो हम पूछ रहे हैं ताकि ऑडियंस को पता चले कि HR का एक्चुअली HR होते कैसे हैं। सो आई एम ट्राइंग जस्ट टू ब्रॉडन देयर पर्सपेक्टिव कि नहीं, HR भी एक इंसान है, उसकी भी एक अपनी लाइफ है, उसके भी हम जैसे ही लोग हैं। लोगों ने HR को एक अलग
they are
प्लेटफॉर्म पे
also
बताया है।
see HR like for example अगर आप सेल्स को लोगे तो उसका दो ऑब्जेक्टिव है, कंपनी के लिए सेल्स ग्रो करो, right? So there is a revenue as an aspect and there is a company success as an aspect. For HR similarly it is people as an aspect, enabling them for company success as an aspect. That is the agenda.
सो भरत, HR का मतलब होता क्या है? उनको सीख, जो कॉर्पोरेट में काम कर रहे हैं and they are working in companies, for them this question is actually for them कि who is an HR if I say?
Good question. So see, basically, HR is a role which predominantly forms the backbone of the company. That's the reason people don't see them every day. They are visible only during events, announcement करते, कुछ मस्ती करते, कुछ क्रिसमस पार्टी करते, तभी वो थोड़े दिख जाते हैं because they are kind of arranging and front-ending them. But there is a lot of back-end work, right? HRs are obviously the entire, like even if you look at, talent attraction, there is a lot which HR plays a sales role there where a recruitment team is attracting talent. It's not easy, right? You'll literally have to sell your company to a person and it's a concept selling.
जो दिखता नहीं है लोगों को पीछे
जो
से।
मेजरली दिखता नहीं है, मीन्स वी जस्ट लुक एट कि ये रिक्रूटर ने कितने सीवीज ला के दिए, बट सीवीज लाने में भी एक दिमाग लगता है कि कौन से सीवीज ला रहा है, अदरवाइज आई कुड हैव गिवन डायरेक्ट एक्सेस. सो देयर इज अ लॉट. इन शॉर्ट, मे बी आई विल नॉट गो इनटू एवरी स्ट्रीम, बट जैसे कि आपका पेरोल हो गया, राइट? आपका पगार तो आ रहा है, बट वो बोलते हैं ना कि अगर आपको कुछ आ रहा है तो कुछ कोई बना भी रहा है कि क्या आना चाहिए. So there is a lot of backend which happens, right? And which is a deeper grind. And what we do, is our interface is to enable that middle management layer which can ambassador the organization culture.
Understood.
That's the reason HR always is a very integral part to the company, right? HR is someone who is always making sure that the right practices, processes, culture, values are upheld in the company, and all of them are contributing towards the organization goal.
So they are not those people that okay, ये तो जाऊंगा, इसके पास प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी मेरी.
शायद हमेशा सॉल्व नहीं होती है, राइट? सो बेसिकली नॉट कि एचआर के पास कोई मैजिक वॉन्ड है और ऐसे घुमा देगा सब सॉल्व हो जाएगा. बट एटलीस्ट वन थिंग विच आई हैव लर्न पर्सनली, right? And one thing which I would like to tell even the HR colleagues of mine in the industry is, अगर तुम्हें मालूम है कि ये नहीं होने वाला है तो ना बोलो. So one thing where I have been respected at least as an HR is, अगर कुछ नहीं हो सकता है तो मैं मुंह पे ना बोलता हूँ, right? This I will get back to you, and going into a silence of eternity is something which I've killed. That's my personal trait, but people don't, want to get into that bad phase of it कि उन्हें मैंने ना बोला. ठीक है, सो बेसिकली ना बोलने से क्या होगा, 2 दिन नाराज रहेगा, लेकिन तीसरे दिन वो कन्विंस हो जाएगा कि हाँ ना है.
तो
राइट,
I know when you have said this word, it just something reverberated in my mind कि जब मैं जॉब्स के लिए अप्लाई करती हूँ, normally I'm talking about the talent acquisition part of the HR function, okay? 90% I'm telling you, जैसे अगर मैंने अप्लाई किया, थोड़े बार मैं सेलेक्ट हुई, थोड़े बार मैं सेलेक्ट नहीं हुई, whatever the reason is, the HR of that company 100% I will say does not revert अगर आप सेलेक्ट नहीं हुए. आपको छोड़ दिया जाता है लवारिस की तरह. They don't call and then we are messaging कि can you please give an update?
Yeah.
Why is that? Why people leave aside a professional aspect, Bharat? I'm just asking you this question on a personal note कि why people can't be humane, and especially when you are in HR, that humane thing, people are expecting that कि at least revert तो कर दो भाई.
ideally, see, I think this is not necessarily a HR trait. Closing the loop concept is called as closing the loop.
हाँ.
Right? So always make sure that any loop is closed.
Right.
It can close on a positive note or a negative note, or it can be closed as an unknown also.
Right.
Right? Ki, hey, there seems to be some flux. I don't know what's happening. I may come back to you.
Right.
Right? But don't count on me until I come back to you.
नहीं तो
So then you are keeping your
खाली.
next.
हाँ.
The ball is in your court to reach out.
Right.
Make sure that at least you close the loop in either of this form.
So I think I feel people leave aside HR, कहीं भी वो जो closure of loop है वो होता नहीं है talent acquisition area में. मैंने देखा है, पर क्यों नहीं होता है, मतलब
Basically could be a function of volumes, could be a function of individual this thing. At least I have practiced one thing कि जहाँ पे भी मैंने HR लीड किया है और जहाँ पे भी मैं HR रहा हूँ खुद, I have made sure that एक सिलेक्शन का मेल एक दिन देर जा सकता है, लेकिन रिजेक्शन का मेल चला जाता है.
राइट. कमिंग टू दैट, ओके, बहुत प्रोफेशनल बात हो गई. अब वापस हम अपने पर्सनल हमारा शो पर्सनल के ज्यादा है कि हाउ द पर्सनल ग्रोथ इज फ्लोइंग इनटू द प्रोफेशनल.
Sure.
So coming back now, let's shift our gears.
Okay.
and let's talk about the personal aspect of your life now.
ठीक
Coming
है.
back, शादी हो गई. Then you have a baby also, Mihir.
Yes.
Yes. And then you changed jobs.
Yes.
You went to a company, a startup.
No, after that, during this period only, I moved from Infosys to ITC Infotech. Okay, I spent some sweet, good 2 years with ITC Infotech. Okay, after that is when I jumped into a startup.
Startups, yeah. So we are in the startup now, and कैसा माहौल स्टार्टअप का जो आपकी पर्सनल लाइफ पे इफेक्ट किया, कुछ करा कि आपने, मतलब हाउ वाज द पर्सनल लाइफ वेरी रनिंग स्मूथली इन अ स्टार्टअप? क्योंकि स्टार्टअप ज्वाइन करने का मतलब होता है ना सुबह है ना शाम है.
Obviously, the pace of life at startup is certainly multi-x than that of what I have worked in, be it ITC or at Infosys, right? So basically, because of which, obviously, working hours certainly, when I look at, again, I never counted it on hours, but obviously I was spending more time at office because obviously startup was first thing, a new thing for me. I had to do more unlearning than what I was learning, right? Personally, obviously thoda time at home got compromised.
गुस्सा नहीं हुई स्नेहा?
Sneha was, see, basically it's always a trade-off. Okay, and obviously I also did not anticipate कि इतना shift होगा. Okay, but when I felt कि it's going to go into this for some time, so we had a conversation. लोगों ने बोला कि देखो आई
एचआर
कैन
का फंक्शन आप घर लेके आ गए कि चलो बात
Obviously.
करते हैं.
obviously see I think some of the good things should be carried to home
Yeah.
and from home to even office as well, right?
But then how long? Because क्या होता है कि doesn't family life get affected? जैसे आपकी नहीं हुई थी अगर आप पूरे टाइम स्टार्टअप में टाइम दे रहे थे.
I wouldn't say family life affect हुई थी. Time at family थोड़ा कम हुआ था, but then we moved from a concept of daily family life की work harder party harder types,
Okay.
right? There was a period where I used to consistently work hard, then
Take time for
take
family.
time for family, and then we used to party hard. That's also a pattern in which you can
So
live.
you learned that during the
Obviously.
startup.
Yes, and one beautiful thing which I carried from home to office is स्नेहा हमेशा मुझे बोलती है कि बैठ के सो.
बैठ के सो.
हाँ, बेसिकली मीन्स पहले बैठो बाद में सो वरना गिरोगे. सो दिस इज सम वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लर्निंग फॉर मी फ्रॉम स्नेहा, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा जंप करता था.
हाँ.
यहाँ से वहाँ करना है, वहाँ से वहाँ करना है. ये थोड़ा स्टार्टअप का माइंडसेट भी था मेरा. तो शी यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टेल कि बैठ के सो.
हाँ.
ठीक है. तो बेसिकली दैट काइंड ऑफ आई टुक बैक तो ऑफिस एंड सेड कि 100 चीज़ें नहीं करनी. पहले 10 चीज़ें सॉल्व करते, बाद में अगली 10 सॉल्व करते, अगली 10 सॉल्व करते, देयर बाय वी रीच 100. So I
going
think
step by
it
step.
was good learning from here to there to here.
ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट था प्रैक्टो में, जो प्रैक्टो स्टार्टअप में, कि जहाँ आपको ऐसे डिसीजंस लेने पड़े जो आपको पर्सनली इफेक्ट करे?
Personally nahi means HR certainly is a package of a lot of responsibilities you carry, like you you carry unfortunately all the bad newses because you let all the good newses go from the manager. जैसे कि प्रमोशन किसका हो रहा है मुझे मालूम है, लेकिन मैं मैनेजर को बोलता हूँ कि तू जाके कम्युनिकेट कर. ठीक है, बिकॉज आई वांट दैट camaraderie टू वर्क, राइट. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली अगर किसी को निकालना पड़ता है तो मैं खुद जाके बैठ के वो काम करता हूँ. मैनेजर को ज़्यादा नहीं बिठाता हूँ क्योंकि आई डोंट वांट हिम टू बी डिस्ट्रैक्टेड, right? Because it's a part of the package which I have owned by choice. Right. So there is nothing called as a disturbing as such.
It was
It's
normal
part of the life. Part of the life.
Right.
ठीक है, अगर जंगल में घर के है तो आवाज़ें तो सुनाई देंगी.
Yes. And Practo, how much time did you spend there?
A decade.
So कहते हैं ना कि डेकेड 10 साल अगर आप वहाँ रह गए तो वो ऑफिस फैमिली बन जाता है. ऐसा कुछ होता है?
हो गया. Means I certainly had a lot of good friends, good relations.
HR के भी दोस्त होते.
HR के भी दोस्त बने.
कंपनी में.
HR means I think one thing is yes, being that adaptable, being that empathic, and being that straightforward, kind of made people come to us, right? As a team, as a HR team. See, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि HR lives a double life. एक तो खुद की जिंदगी जीता है, एक कॉर्पोरेट जिंदगी लेता है, and you get to interact with all ages in corporate. ठीक है, तो basically you know life experiences, more life experiences than an average person, right? So basically because इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ HR 2 बार जिंदगी जीता है, या he lives twice, right? इसीलिए वो थोड़ी बहुत, अगर तुम कोई सीजन्ड एचआर से बात करोगे तो उसके वो सेंस ऑफ मैच्योरिटी थोड़ा ज़्यादा लगता है, राइट?
तो एचआर होता है कि नहीं होता है टाइप्स, कि इज एचआर अ जेन्युइन पर्सन?
ही इज,
बिकॉज क्योंकि वो डबल लाइफ लीड करता है एज अ सीक्रेट एजेंट टाइप्स, जैसे दिखता है कि ऑफिस में कुछ और होते हैं, एचआर घर में कुछ और होते हैं. बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली यू कांट ब्रिंग एचआर टोटली टू हाउस ऑल्सो, बिकॉज यू आर डीलिंग विद पीपल, राइट? नाउ यू गो होम, you are again dealing with people but in a different context.
Yes, but sometimes you'll not be able to mend ways. You're not a switch, right, कि on off कर दो. So there are instances where I have taken my home pressure to office. There are instances where I have taken my office pressures to home, and both parties have been impacted.
Right.
My sincere regrets on that, but that was the state because Bharat is the same. Who is the carrier?
Bharat to Bharat hai, but the profession demands that.
Yes, sometimes I'm too tensed at home, and किसी ने फोन करके कुछ मांग लिया ऑफिस में तो शायद मैंने ऑफिस में भी चिल्लाया है, ठीक
got
है,
it.
या मैं ऑफिस से बहुत टेंशन में कुछ कर रहा हूँ और स्नेहा ने कुछ मांग लिया तो शायद मैंने स्नेहा पे भी चिल्लाया है,
Got it.
राइट. सो आई थिंक ये होता है.
HR
It's
is a
called
genuine,
sociometrics.
but HR is a genuine person like you, like
Obviously.
all of us.
Yes, yes.
They have their ups and
Please
downs and
accept them as a normal human
Yes,
beings.
yes, and don't put them on a different pedal.
Absolutely. Right?
Understood. Now coming back, you had your second kid, a
Yes,
daughter,
Riddhi.
a lovely daughter, and she's growing up right now.
Yes.
Now all of these, your family is set. Now the family is completed, and you are now moving. You are in Practo. इतना अच्छा सब चल रहा था, तो फिर वो कीड़ा क्यों काटा एंटरप्रेन्योर का दोबारा?
No, I think as I said, thanks to Practo and every Praction, I must say, क्योंकि means it gave me whatever I wanted to do in Practo, right, or in HR. It gave me a total free hand on everything. So I think, you know, वो एक चीज़ मैंने कर ली थी, right? Now then, obviously you have to also look at your life stage, ठीक है? So I wanted to look at, you know, being more an independent, you know, entrepreneur as well. And there was a point in time when me and one of my colleague started discussing about it. Okay, and we came up with a nice, exciting idea of obviously the startup which we have started, you know, Atlas HRT, right? So that kind of, you know, bound me very quickly. मुझे लगा कि ये मेरा next leap होगा. This is something which I want to do, अपनी company and in this area, right? And I see a real problem. Let me solve for it. So
अब होता क्या है कि पर्सनल पे हम अगर आए तो अब आप अपना अगर कंपनी चालू करते हो तो यू आर कॉम्प्रोमाइजिंग लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑन योर पर्सनल टाइम.
yes.
So then how will you manage family and your business together?
It's what do I say? It's a very clear trade-off and dialogue, right? Two things which you have to be very clear when you are taking any risk is at least to the immediate impacted circle. You have to tell that I'm taking this risk, and this is a flip side of it. The worst case, we are here. Prepare them before taking. If there is a resistance, evaluate whether you want to take.
तो घर के साथ में बात करके
Yes,
then
so
only
it took some time. It's not कि कल startup का idea निकला आज मैं शुरू कर दूँ, right? So basically, you know, it took some time. You know, it took a lot of time between me and Sneha to understand, do we want to leave the corporate world and get into this, right? Is it a right time? Can we do it 6 months later? Can we do it, you know, after some time? Currently, what is the worst case we can be in? ये सभी हम लोगों ने काफ़ी डिस्कस किया.
and then you took this leap.
Yes, with due concurrence of few people whom obviously Sneha being the immediate, you know, person whom who is a dependent. Then I also have a circle of mentors. One of them is my brother as well. I had a detailed conversation with him. Right, he had been through a similar journey couple of years ago. He's also started his company 3 years back, right? So kind of helped me in terms of, you
Starting
know, एक
this.
footprint है जहाँ पे क्या risk appetite लेनी पड़ती है.
सब
How do
सोच
you-
समझ के किया था हमने.
Obviously. So I think half of the time why do startups fail is because founder का वो perseverance नहीं रहता कि इसके पीछे मुझे भागना है, गिरोगे गारंटी, लेकिन उठ के भागना है, वो ताकत रहनी चाहिए.
Understood. So वो इतनी सारी हमारी HR companies हैं. You must be knowing the every second company, if people are, you know, opening up. If you're in HR, you open up an HR consulting company. So how is Atlas HRT different from the remaining HR consulting companies?
So there are very two clear hallmarks where we kind of distinguish ourselves from, you know, the rest of the world, I must say, right? Obviously, there are very good reputed HR consultancy firms, but consultancy firms are showing you directions. we walk that path,
Okay.
right? That means if we are saying we are going to deliver you X, Y, Z, we are going to walk that path with you every day. We are going to run that agenda with your team every day until we reach X, Y, Z.
You will not just give the strategy and walk away.
Yes,
You
yes,
will go with the execution part of it
yes.
also.
Because the crux is in the execution,
Understood.
right? You can flip. Sometimes we have seen, at least because we've done a lot of strategic thinking when we were in corporates, right? कि execution में तुम्हारा strategy ही गलत हो जाता है. When you started executing, market realities change वगैरह, तो strategy ही खराब हो जाता है. Then you're back to square one. So how do I pivot there? So if we are doing this real time with companies, right? That is something where people do count on us, okay? And obviously, the second thing which we always talk about is impact. We build companies for impact and sustainability. So basically, if I look at Atlas, right, it's a company which will help you navigate through success, right?
Understood.
It'll create roadmaps for you.
Got
And it's not going to just show you roadmap. It's going to create, walk that, achieve.
Very nice, and all the best for your
Thank
endeavor.
you.
You have
Thank you.
started, and there's a long journey ahead.
Absolutely.
तो भरत, अभी हम अगर लोगों से बोलेंगे कि आप अगर यंग वाले लोगों से कि आप एचआर बनना चाहते हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो कॉन्टेम्पलेटिंग कि मुझे एचआर लेना चाहिए, कि मुझे मार्केटिंग लेना चाहिए, या मुझे फिनेंस करना चाहिए, तो आप उनको क्या सजेशन देंगे कि एचआर शुड बी अ प्रायोरिटी, और यू कैन एचआर इज वन पार्ट, जो कुछ ना मिले तो एचआर ले लो?
I don't think so. I think, every trade has its own respect, and you should know why you are doing it. I always tell people ki, do it with a purpose. Fortunate is today's generation where there are so many opportunities. You don't have to do, if someone is trying to get into, wants to do HR, and just because they like interacting with people, they gel well with people easily, they have done some shows. No, that is just what you have seen as the tip of the iceberg, right? There is a lot which goes into HR. There are cost structures involved, there are business strategies involved. How do we enable people? How do we look at productivity? Where the company is heading? Will the company hit its goal? All these are HR's daily.
So what advice would you like to give these youngsters कि HR बनना है तो ये qualities अपने पास रखो?
दो चीजों में बोलना चाहूंगा. एक तो आई थिंक HR बनना है तो first thing is try being quite analytical, right? And you should have a very good lateral thinking. You should have a lot of patience in terms of listening, in terms of, you should be a high EQ person, right? And you should be very good at, connecting dots, right? So some of these will come over the experience as a trade, but some of the early signals, if you are looking at, is ki, if you are highly analytical, you want to try and understand why something is happening in a particular way, and if you are able to separate a person from a problem and solve for the problem, right? Majority of the time we get stuck at a person, right? But if you solve the problem, right, then the person is sane.
Understood.
Right? So I think these are some of the aspects, right, which I would say it's important in any trade, and HR is more something which you want to do, right? You want to do this as a people agenda person. You have that appetite. You are a person who is uh, built for that as a cult. Then that kind of makes a marry. Otherwise, just because I'm fun loving, मुझे रंगोली आती है, I think thanks to all the stand-up comedians जो हमको काफी famous कर चुके हैं, तो basically but that's not the HR. That's event management. थोड़ा बहुत हम लोग कर देते हैं. That's also important because corporate life sometimes is monotonous, राइट, थोड़ा मंडेन हो जाता है तो
Yeah.
थोड़ा मूड ब्रेक चलता है।
Yeah, so
जैसे हम
on
लोग बीच बीच में एक एक
uh,
कॉफी का सिप पी रहे हैं।
और अभी मैं यही कहती कि अभी जैसे ही बोला था ना एक्टिविटी, तो मेरे दिमाग में एक एक्टिविटी आई कि
हम्म,
यू आर अ बैडमिंटन प्लेयर,
यस।
सो वुड यू लाइक टू शो अस सम मूव्स ऑफ योर बैडमिंटन?
नो नो, आई एम डन विद मींस
थोड़े
आज
से
का।
थोड़े से मूव्स आज,
ठीक
थोड़ा
है,
सा, यस वी
ठीक
विल
है,
डू दैट आल्सो।
श्योर।
सो भरत, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग ऑन आवर शो। एंड आपने बताया हमें कि एचआर एक्चुअली एचआर होता कौन है, और एचआर भी एक इंसान ही है इन
सर्टेनली।
शॉर्ट। एचआर कोई ऐसी पदवी नहीं दी गई है कि जो एचआर बन गए तो भाई आप अलग ही हैं दुनिया से, आप दुनिया यहाँ
यस,
है और आप वहाँ हैं। यू आर अमंगस्ट वन ऑफ अस ऑल्सो।
मींस आई रिमेंबर दैट word from a Wednesday. HR is also a stupid common man, right?
यस,
So basically,
वाओ।
he's also a common man. So please treat them as the same. Don't treat them as a separate breed.
On that note, I would like you to present a small
Oh,
memento from
nice.
Dog Diaries for coming on our show.
Thank you. Thank you very
No?
much.
Yes.
That's so
Just to
sweet.
remember so that you can keep it on your shelf कि अब हमें इस एज में भी ट्रॉफी मिलती है। And people who come on our show don't go empty handed. A
My
small
goodness.
token again of appreciation that you've come such a long way and shared your story with us. It's not
Thank you.
easy to share one's story that we understand.
Sure.
Thank you so much, Bharat.
Thank you
And
very much. Thank you very much, Preeti. It's been an amazing experience, I must say.
थैंक यू सो मच। सो गाइस, आज हमने क्या सीखा? हमारे साथ मिस्टर भरत थे एज एन एचआर, पर ये स्टोरी खाली एचआर की नहीं बता रही थी मैं, ये स्टोरी बता रही थी कि एचआर एक इंसान भी होता है। इंसान मतलब हम हमेशा एचआर को सोचते हैं कि एचआर एक अलग से एक डेजिग्नेशन होता है। नहीं, एचआर भी हमारे जैसा होता है, उसकी भी एक फैमिली होती है, उसकी भी एक ख्वाहिशें होती हैं, उनके भी लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं, उनके भी स्ट्रगल्स होती है, उनकी ज़िंदगी में भी ड्रामा होता है। जैसे हमारी ज़िंदगी में है, उनकी ज़िंदगी में भी ड्रामा है। तो एक्चुअली हमने क्या सीखा कि एचआर में हमको सबसे पहले, जो भी एचआर करना चाहता है, जो भी इस प्रोफेशन को लेना चाहता है, सबसे पहले जो क्वालिटी होनी चाहिए दैट यू शुड बी एम्पैथिक टुवर्ड्स अ पर्सन। मतलब आपको उसके लिए फील होना चाहिए। दूसरा, आपका कम्युनिकेशन बहुत स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, आपकी नेटवर्किंग स्ट्रांग होनी चाहिए, और आपको लोगों को समझना चाहिए। एंड life is full of twists and turns, and you have to adapt to all those twists and turns and come out of it, succeedingly. तो एचआर, अगर ये सारे काम आप कर सकते हो तो आपके लिए एचआर एज अ प्रोफेशन बेस्ट होता है। नाउ इफ यू लाइक दिस एपिसोड, प्लीज शावर योर लव ऑन अस, सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल एंड कीप वॉचिंग फॉर मोर एपिसोड्स, बिकॉज पिक्चर तो अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त। नमस्ते, हर हर महादेव।